That's where all the electricity is run through. You want to go to the plaza? No, right? Go to Hoover Dam, right?
Yeah, let's go to the dam. What is the plaza? So we can get out and walk around? Or?
That's where you can walk over the bridge that we kept on going over.
Oh, to look at it from across the bridge.
Yeah.
We can do it from the other side too?
That's the new bridge.
Oh, okay.
That's brand new though. When that guy was telling us about the new bridge when we were eating lunch the other day? Yeah, that's what he was talking about. Wow, look at all that power.
Wow.
I mean, you know, like...
Yeah, all the electricity stuff. Are we on it? Damn!
Oh, it's on the other side. I just saw a little glimpse of it. That's the new bridge.
Look at the new bridge. We drove over that twice.
Oh, wait, we're going from Nevada to Arizona, like through this drive.
Oh, nice. We'll go back.
I remember this now. I don't remember that bridge because it wasn't there before. That is pretty cool, that bridge.
This is pretty
my
sick.
God. I think this is a better view than driving over.
That's pretty sick. Damn! Damn! We're going over a dam. Yeah. Damn! Is that the damn restaurant?
Yeah,
fucking damn restaurant right there.
The damn restaurant right there. Oh, you can like
some damn cable things. Damn palm
trees. It's a pretty good site up there, you know, for them to be able to look down in there. Looks like damn rocks to me. Some damn water.
There's damn tour.
There's damn tour.
Look at all these damn people checking out the dam.
Yeah.
What's the damn hold up? Holds up a lot of rocks.
That's damn water.
And water. Some damn trivia questions for you.
Should we be getting out?
We probably should get, I don't know. We need to get out and look at all this shit. Stop it. I'm taping it. Now we're driving.
I know, but probably to look down.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. We should get out and take some damn pictures.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna stop and get out and take some damn pictures.